All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on the Jeep most of the day. Might start on the Ford, but I'm going to put these side steps on here, and then I'm going to replace the bulbs in the daylight running sockets there. I have some LED replacements, some Sylvania 3157s, and so it looks like I'll have to take the little snorkel here intake just to get a nice comfortable room back there. So that should come off pretty easily. Let's start with that. So this one, pull this. So I turned it counterclockwise, almost a quarter of a rotation. Yep, that sucker's burned out for sure. So I'm going to replace this with LED. Ooh, look at that. Sucker got hot. I hope this thing works. So what I'm going to do is just look at how this came out. Looks like these leads just went in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to not touch any bulbs. Alright, so this goes down in there like that. Looks like the bulbs, the diodes come out here and then aim and bounce off the reflectors in the housing there. All right, let's put this guy back in. Okay, there's one. All right, they work and they look good. I don't know if you can tell on video. Yeah, nice. Wife approved.